Hello friends, Shushmita here and you are watching my study hacks 51. In my last video, I was in if else conditional statement. Today, I have a question and a small piece of code to explain. The question is input a number and check it is greater than 10 or not. Now, we have two tasks to perform. First, input a number and second is check it is greater than 10 or not. So, first we take a number to enter a number. Then we check the number is greater than 10 or not. The number is stored in n, therefore we write n is greater than 10. If the condition is true, then print n is greater than 10. Else, that is, the condition is false, print n is less than 10. That's it. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please like, share and comment.